Hey guys, benjoj12channels, back with one more Daily Mail toy, and this time it's on the Lego City unrealistic type helicopter. Set number, kit number, you see here, 30222. That's what you get with it. An unrealistic looking helicopter. And then we just get the guy out, who in my opinion looks like he's from the elite police, but the person who's in charge is giving him a different uniform. Give me a little look around. A little bit of back printing, always good back printing. As you can see, he's wearing gloves. His hands aren't that colour, head colour, yellow, and quite nice, I guess. So if it is toilet flush, just someone else. And go downstairs, that's the same person. And it's actually quite good. The cockpit entrance opening thing. And you get this thing here. Get a nice little blade here. Also you can see, let me do something quickly. Those are spare parts, and you get a spare visor, but we just put that on because there could be a radio signal there for the radio pickup, and that's just an extra detail that we put there. But it's what it actually looks like, not with these three on the back. 1, 2, 3, and that's basically it. Right. Now on to what I call, right, I'll rate it first and then I'll do the pros and cons. Right, I would rate this 4 out of 5. Pros are the driver actually has quite a cool uniform and he looks from the elite police. The blades are actually quite long, and if you see on the camera here, it looks sort of quite realistic when you sort of spin them like that. But and on the back one, the back one looks a bit realistic in the camera, but that's a good thing. The small wing is quite good. I like the light that's there, and I like the fact that you use a sort of wheel thing for it. And the base thing, when the person lands, this base thing, actually quite good. Also, it's quite good to use one of these things, so sort of things that go there, and then use one of those 3 stack things, and then it turns into one thing that goes back there. Quite a nice design. Right. Yeah, also I like this part here. The part here. So over here, some weird scream noise. It sounds like a train, but it's not. And I actually like the eyes that are here. It's sort of like the eagle eyes in the sky. Actually, no, what to say about the cockpit. Right, now to the parts I don't really like about it. That part should be covered up, and on the other side, and it should be a bit more realistic type. So that's the end. It didn't have to be that long. Right, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, add to favourites, add to playlist, and do whatever you can to make me happy. And I'll see you next, guys. My next walkthrough or review or what it's going to be.